Hey guys, welcome back to Robby. Today my mom is making a super easy and absolutely delicious Kaddu and Chana Dal Curry, also known as bottle gourd and split chickpea curry. Trust me, this dish is not just tasty, it's also packed with nutrition. Did you know Kaddu bottle gourd is rich in fiber, keeps you hydrated and helps with digestion. It's also low in calories, making it great for weight loss. Chana Dal, split chickpeas is loaded with protein, iron and fiber, keeping you full and energized all day. So let's jump right in and cook this super healthy and flavorful curry. Alright, here I have one large size kaddu. It's big and ready for action. First thing first, give it a good wash, peel off the skin and chop it into small cubes. Once done, toss these cubes into a bowl of water so they don't turn brown while we prepare our curry. Easy, right? Now let's fire up the stove. In a pressure cooker, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once it's nice and hot, throw in 2 bay leaves and 2 whole red chilies. Let them dance in the oil for a bit. Next, add 1 teaspoon black mustard seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, and 2 cloves. Listen to that crackling sound. This is where the magic begins. That's aroma. Now let's add 1 big sliced onion. While the onion is cooking, quickly chop up 1 tomato. Once the onion turns soft and translucent, in goes the tomatoes. Cook it for about 5 minutes until they turn mushy. Now let's add the flavor boosters. 4 cloves of garlic, half inch ginger and 2 to 3 green chilies, all blended into a fine paste. Stir it well and let it cook until the raw smell disappears and it becomes beautifully aromatic. Ginger, garlic or mirchi hai. Time to spice things up. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix everything well. And add a splash of water so the spices don't burn. Cook until the masala starts releasing oil. This is your sign that all flavors are perfectly blended. Now let's bring in the protein power. 1 cup of overnight soaked chana dal. Mix it well so it gets coated with all that delicious masala. Now add the chopped kaddu and give it another good mix. Don't forget salt to taste because, well, salt makes everything better. Combine everything nicely. And pour in 1 cup of water to get that perfect curry consistency.
पानी डाल देंगे हाँ डाल देंगे और डालता हूँ
Alright, time to close the pressure cooker. Let it cook for 2 whistles on medium heat. Once done, turn off the heat and let it sit for a while. Don't rush. Good things take time. After the pressure releases naturally, open the lid and give it a good mix. And there you have it, your delicious, healthy and comforting Kaddu and Chana Dal Curry ready in a jiffy. Time to serve. Transfer this beauty into a serving pot and garnish it with fresh coriander leaves because, let's be honest, everything looks better with a little green on top. Look at that gorgeous curry, thick, creamy and packed with flavors. Pair it up with roti, paratha or naan and you have got yourself a wholesome meal. So guys, if you love this recipe, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Robby Hobby. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking and stay awesome. Bye.